Welcome to H Deluxe. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE 53. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on this SUV at all, and all four wheels are in excellent condition. They have no curb rails, so the exterior is in perfect condition. Now let's have a look inside. Starting with the driver's side. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Let's take a look at the passenger side. Everything over here looks perfect as well. Alright, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect, no wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks beautiful. I'm not seeing any wear and tear. The leather and stitching looks fine. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.